Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, and I am so excited you are here today. We are going to learn something that is like a magic trick for your English.
A magic trick. That sounds mysterious, Luana. Hi, everyone. I'm Joe Samar. I'm ready to see some magic today. What are we talking about?
We are talking about the most common sound in the English language. It's called the schwa.
Ah, the schwa. It's a small sound, but it's very powerful. If you learn this, you will sound much more natural when you speak.
Exactly. It's the secret to sounding like a native speaker. Let's jump in. So, Josamar, have you ever noticed that English speakers don't say every letter in a word clearly?
Oh, definitely. When I first started learning, I thought people were being lazy with their mouths. They don't say photographer, they say photographer.
Right. That A and at the end sound like a tiny, weak That is the schwa. In the dictionary, it looks like an upside-down E.
It's a very relaxed sound. Your mouth does almost no work. Just open your mouth a little bit and make a short sound,
Like in the word about. We don't say a-bout with a strong A, we say about.
Or the word chocolate. Beginners often say choc-o-late, but native speakers say chocolate. That middle O just disappears into a schwa.
It's because English is a stress-timed language. We push the important parts of the word, and the unimportant parts become schwas.
It's like music. You have the loud beats and the soft beats. The schwa is always the soft beat.
Let's try a sentence. Josamar, say, I have a banana for breakfast.
I have a banana for breakfast. Wow, there are 4 schwas in that sentence.
Yes, the first and last A in banana, and the A in breakfast. If you say banana with 3 strong A's, it sounds like a robot.
I eat a banana. Yeah, that's not natural. To sound like a friend, you need that lazy sound.
Okay, Josamar, let's go deeper. Where can our listeners find the schwa? Is it always the letter A?
Great question. The answer is no. The schwa can be any vowel, A, E, I, O, or U. It just depends on which part of the word is not stressed.
Let's look at 2 specific rules for our listeners.
Look at the word computer. The O is at the beginning, but we don't stress it, so it becomes computer. Or the word apartment. It's not apartment, it's apartment.
This is a big one. Words ending in like teacher, brother, or doctor. In American and British English, that ending is very soft. We don't say teach-er, we say teacha.
Right. It's that relaxed throat. Don't worry about making it perfect. Just relax your tongue and let the air out.
So the rule is find the part of the word that is loud, the stress, and make the other vowels weak, the schwa. We used some great words and ideas today. Let's look at 5 of them. 1. Stress. Noun or verb. In pronunciation, this is the part of the word that is louder or longer. Example. In the word apple, the stress is on the first syllable. 2. Native speaker. Noun. A person who has spoken a language since they were a baby. Example. My teacher is a native speaker from Canada. 3. Natural. Adjective. Something that sounds normal and not forced or robotic. Example. Using phrasal verbs makes your English sound more natural. 4. Syllable. Noun. A part of a word that contains a single vowel sound. Example. The word banana has 3 syllables. 5. Relaxed. Adjective. Feeling calm and not tense. This is how your mouth should feel when making the schwa. Example. You should have a relaxed posture when you give a speech. I hope so. It's like a hidden sound that you finally discover.
So here is your homework, everyone. Listen to your favorite English song or movie today. Try to find 3 words where the vowel sounds like
Practice those words out loud. Thank you for listening to the Luana English Podcast. You're doing a great job. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.